And we're live. Howdy, howdy, KicknGravelers. Welcome to the Bitcoin market update. Today is, what is today? Sunday the 23rd, uh, December 23rd, 2018. Oh boy, the day before Christmas Eve. Ooh la la. You know what we do? We get started with a little cup of coffee. Cheers to you guys. Crypto suffering from a little sideways action here for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 or 5 days. Mmm. 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 Oh, that is nice. Ooh, nice and hot. Perfect temperature. Here we go. BTC USD on the 1-day chart for Coinbase. 3,990. Now, we just got a new candle and it's starting to run up. I'm not sure, we got 24 hours basically for this candle that we're working on right here, but ever since the get-go, it's been running up. I have a personal target in my mind as far as where we'll go. I have been pretty much ignoring social media or YouTube, things like that for trades. I think that this sideways action, if we break out on the upside, we could have a target of 4,500 we could run up to. So, wow, we're right there. We're ready for a breakout, fellas. Oh, this is kind of fun. Oh, that's kind of fun. Look at it going. So let me just leave a little mark here. 4,500 is roughly my target, somewhere around here. Okay, I'd love to see us get up here. That would be great. Now, expect a pullback as soon as it gets there and more sideways. It's just what this market does, and we could kind of go halfway up there, maybe to 4,200 or 4,300, and then pull back and then run up again and finish it off. So just be aware of that. Everything has been looking good. I know we've been pulling back, and I know sideways is boring, but remember, this is slow, steady growth. The difference between where we're at and the 9-day moving average, this is exactly what you want to see. Nothing too crazy. We just need some slow, steady growth. That's it. So that's my target there on the upside. I am bullish for the most part until I see a breakdown below this on the day. Because remember, we're trading the day here. We every once in a while refer back to the 4-hour chart and check things out. Things are looking okay over there. Not too bad. I like this. This is real nice. Got that RSI turnaround. We could run higher now. It's probably just exactly what we needed. So lots of rest here, and boom, let's run higher. Very good. Let's move on to, what do we want to look at? Well, I want to look at this coin market cap. $134 billion. Almost 135. That's real nice. That's real nice. And we got XRP number 2, Ethereum number 3. And what is this guy doing? I don't even know who that is. $200? Yeah. Sounds like $200 too expensive to me. I'm terrible. I'm terrible. Okay, let's move back to the charts. LTC is at 34 bucks. Look at this bad boy. Woo, running. That's the 4-hour chart. I'm sorry. Let's get back to the day. Gotta look at the day here. Oh, yeah. Oh, what is this? What do I do that for? Let's get this one. There you go. All right. Look at this. This is what I like. Look at that. Slow, steady growth. Very strong. It's about ready to hit that 50-day. Loving LTC right now. It's looking good. In fact, let's look at LTC BTC. on that trade. Look at that. We're right up. Actually, we just penetrated that top there. So sky's the limit here. This thing might run up to a 200-day moving average if I zoom out. Yeah, I think we could do it. I think we could get up here. So if you're in a coin for either Bitcoin or Litecoin, you're going to get more bang for your buck out of Litecoin right now. All right, let's move on to, let's look at Tron. Tronny. Whoa, TRX. Boy, you really got to like this coin, man. It is just, it's about steady from where we were at yesterday, trading sideways into this little triangle. No breakdown yet. Stay in it. Digibyte, what are you doing? Okay, look at that. Nice 2-3 days rally, looking good. I like this. Hang on. Digibyte still okay. Theta. Okay, Theta, we got to switch. Why didn't we switch it before? I don't know. We saw this a couple days back, but yes, it is a buy. It's going up. Looking good. Stay in it. Yeah, Theta's looking strong. I like this too. It's just starting. It's just getting started. Okay, Proppy, P-R-O. Proppy is now above the 9-day moving average, but let's not get excited about it yet. I mean, I'm kind of excited. A little more excited than usual about it, but we're not there yet. I'm not buying it yet. Populous, PPT, looking good. Oh yeah. You know, overall picture, it doesn't look that great, but it is a buy for now, so we get in it. So Populous is a buy. Let's switch that over. Boy, we've been neglecting this back here. We need to keep on top of that. OMG is a buy, and it has been for a couple, 2-3 days, so we need to stay on top of that. OMG is now a buy. Boom. Okay, Pay. Pay is a buy. Wait, no, we knew that was a buy already. But look at this. Okay, I want to show you guys something. I've been in this thing the whole time, okay, and I've failed to let go of my precious. Not because I'm so particularly in love with Pay or anything like that, but because I'm not seeing just a total dumpage yet. I know I'm breaking a little bit of the rules by hanging on to it after that 9-day moving average, okay? I know, I get it. So if you go back in time, anytime you were to dump it when it breaks below the 9-day moving average, you would have been rewarded with buying back at a much cheaper price. But I'm wondering if, let's see this, let's look at this chart. Let's look at this chart together. This is what I'm wondering. Okay. You see how this went up, pulled back, went below the 9-day moving average, and then boom, it went above and it shot up. I'm anticipating that happening again. I'm just got that feeling. She's lost that love and feeling. You know what I'm saying? Like, I think we might get at least a double top out of that bad boy, right? From what we had back here. That's possible. So that's why I've been holding it this whole time. I just got this gut feeling. And I'm going against some of my own rules with selling it, but I'm telling you what, this thing could go higher. Now, what I'm waiting for is, you see during this, pretty much from here, okay, it went down, crossed the 50 on RSI, and kept going down. Well, that means that we flashed down to here, right? And then we traded basically out of 45 down this way. But it's not really dumping. And it almost looks like it's preserving itself to run higher. It doesn't want to lose in the market because it's going to go higher, and it would just have to, if it dumped, it would just have to go make it up that much more on the run up, and it's not dumping. Hold on to this. There's something different about this pump, and that's what I'm saying. All right, I spent way too much time on pay. Human IQ, don't you get it? Oh, don't you touch it with the 10-foot pole. Okay, here we go. What do we got here? Stellar lumens. Golly, I don't know what to tell you on this one. This one here is just not. Oh, it's close. It's close. Okay, so here's the thing. We were down. We came up to the line. Boop, boop, boop. Bumped our head a couple times. We went over the line and came down, right? We got, this one is a reversal doji. We did get the reversal. It ran up extremely high, but then closed below it. All of these actions are bearish because it's below the 9-day moving average. This one poked its head up above it, mostly lived below it. This one finally came up yesterday's candle. It straddled the line. So this is a half in, half out situation. This to me is the transition candle to go from bullish to bearish, not really this one. So if we're getting continuation, right, then we need to see this candle today open and close. Now that's the rest of the day and tomorrow, right? We need to see that open and close above that 9-day moving average for it to be anything special. So yeah, still not buying it. No, couldn't do that. That's stellar lumens. Not interested yet. And let's look at the big picture. What do we got here? Big picture is awesome because remember I put this nice support line down. We hit it and bounced, right? And this support line looks like it could hold. So maybe it is a good time to buy, right? Because if you were trading between that and let's say right here, okay, you'd probably become a very wealthy man. You just ping pong, oh, it goes up, sell it, buy it, sell it, buy it, sell it, buy it, sell it, buy it. Okay, so we're here. We bought it, right? And so there's a couple really good trades there. And yeah, liking it. I think we know the trajectory of this if it goes bullish, okay? We do know that. We can start from back here if you like. Right there, boom. Hey, on January 20th, 2019, it should be up this high, okay? You want to gain 25% on your portfolio? There it is. There it is. It's right there in front of you. High probability. We've had so many other times that it's done that, okay? But before this happens, we got to go bullish for real. So let's zoom out here. Oh, yeah. Stellar. No, see, it's already coming down. That's crazy. All right. Let's move on to XRP. Well, I kind of knew I'd see this when I looked at it. I didn't even have to. Still going up. You know, the trend is up. It's not getting all-time high yet, but it's close. Oh, love that coffee. Man. Okay, XRP. I like it. Stay in it. ADA. I like it. Stay in it. Tezos. I like it. Stay in it. Now, this is a slow mover right here, right? Yeah, I like this Tezos right here. This is wonderful. Bundy. Still in the doghouse. I'm about to throw this one. You know what? I'm going to call it. Don't hate me for this. Don't hate me for this. Bundy, you're out of here. This is a non-performer. There's nothing to see here. Call me when you do anything. QLC. All right, here we go. QLC. We've been watching this. We called it bullish, and we've been following it, and it's been doing fine. QLC Stay on it. Stay in it. The 1-day chart is looking good. We're about ready to contend with this 50-day moving average and then try to get up in that Kumo cloud. That would be fantastic. Aeon. I like this one. Looking good. Keep going. Keep holding it. What I like here too is that RSI is going to reverse. Our volume's looking good. Oh man, this is good. This is good. Yeah, RSI, volume, money flow. Yeah, it's all good. Bitcoin Cash SV has been pulling back. It's still bullish. This is kind of what it does, I guess. You and I were both looking at something similar with stellar lumens. I'm going to draw this in here and let's see if you guys can't make a little bit of money off of this neat little trick here. Okay. Boom. We'll call it like that. All right. So we hit our top. What if we come down? Okay. And what if we do this? All right, guys. We'll see you January 5th back up here. Look for a buy around the 31st of December, maybe even the 30th. That'd be all right. We could work with that. Okay. So there's some money to be made here. Let's look at Doge. If this is what's gonna happen, look for this guy here to give you the signal. I mean, you could sell it now and you kind of know where it's going. Okay. But I like to wait until these indicators start telling me to sell right here. When we get below the 50, when this breaks below the red, that's when I like to sell. But you could gamble a little bit and dump it now. Doge. I'm going to keep it green though. Doge. Okay. This is interesting. Okay, what do we got here? Doge gave us that reversal candle. It came up, closed here. There you go. Oh man, I don't know. Doge is still not a buy. I'll just sit tight on this one here. Doge is still not a buy. Trying, but it's not there. Okay, EOS. And let's go back to Doge. Okay, I'm calling it. I mean, it wasn't today. It was like that day. Said get out. Okay, right? I'll have to go back and review the tape. But I thought it was this day that we were like, okay, we're out of this. I can't remember though, because it's been blue for a little bit. So anyway, yeah, that's Doge. I'm gonna say tentatively that was when we said to get out. So we're gonna watch that. Right. Oh. Nah, this is better if we put it up like this. We're going to keep an eye on it. See what it does. EOS. Still going. Still buy it. Still hold it. Oh yeah, everything's looking good. It's just fine. Only thing that concerns me right here, and I think it's going to turn around, is this guy right here. Your money flow. Money flow kind of peaked, came up, and now is kind of trending down a little bit. And it could give us a death cross. Don't want to hang on to it after a death cross. But I think we're going to be fine. I think we're going to be fine with holding for right now. I believe we got a target in sight. It's that 50-day moving average, and it just wants it. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me with the sweet little Bitcoin market update. Be good to each other. Happy holidays. Enjoy your family time. And God bless you. Talk to you soon. Oh, I'm out. That's the words. You can't close until you say, I'm out.